tutorial for the easy Christmas tree table napkin from Happy Days. This is what you need: 2 pieces of contrasting fabric, and this is how you make it. Once you've cut out your semicircles by using the template supplied, place your 2 fabrics right sides together, line up all the edges and clip into place. I've clipped it together and I'm going to start there and sew to there and stop, round the curve and stop, and back to there and stop. I'm leaving a gap at the bottom for turning. I'm using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. I've sewn all the way around and I've left a gap at the bottom for turning. I've snipped both corners and I've also snipped the curve so it gives a nicer finish once it's turned. And now I'm going to turn it through the gap I've left at the bottom. I've turned it the right way around and I've pressed in the raw edges along the bottom where the gap was. And now I'm going to measure 13 centimetres across and draw a line with my heat erasable pen along there. I've drawn my line and now I'm going to take it to the sewing machine and I'm going to sew all the way around, top stitching all the way around there, and then I'm also going to sew up that line as well. Once you've sewn all the way around and sewn your line there, fold on that line you've just sewn, line up the bottom edges and press. Now take this bottom corner and fold over and make sure that you line that edge up to that edge, and when you're happy with it, press. Now turn it over The final fold is to line that edge with that edge. Again, make sure that your edges all line up and press. And that's your easy Christmas tree table napkin all finished, and you can go on and make as many as you want for your table this Christmas.